How you doing? Michael DiMaggio, Mikey D, El Presidente of DiMaggio's Incorporated, also known as DiMaggio's Dog Walkers, as you can see on this shirt here. I own a local business in the city, right? I like to give back to the community. What we do, me and my guys, if you need your dog walked, you don't have time to do it, we got you. Pick up his poop, feed the little guy, whatever you need, we'll cover it. Just last week, some lady was a little bit too nervous to hand over her poop monster to one of my guys. And then my guy was like, hey, don't worry about it. And he hands her over the DiMaggio's pamphlet of reassurance. And she's like, whoever is the business owner must be one of the most savvy, intelligent, handsome, customer-centric businessmen, entrepreneurs, CEOs out there in the world. Hey, don't look at me, that's just what she said. We ended up winning her over with a professional branding. I did it all super cheap using PicMonkey. I'm a business guy, I'm a money guy, and I'm a designer too. Oddly enough, I'm a cat person.